Hi everyone! My task is to know and be able to use the definition of power and energy. And before mo deep sa understand sa power and energy, ato sang i-discuss or if ngano apel ang power and energy sa circuits, and power and energy calculation also are important in circuit analysis. Nga naman, one is the reason is that although voltage and current are useful variables, they oftentimes nga ang output nga magawa sa system is non-electrical, and ana nato ma-express ang terms of power and energy. Another reason is that all practical devices have limitation on the amount of power that they can handle. And in the design process, therefore, voltage and currents calculation are not enough by themselves. Dili sila sufficient. So, we now then define the power and energy. Power is the time rate expending or absorbing energy. And the formula of power is equal to energy over time. And ano muna apel ang energy ani is because 1 watts is equal to 1 joules per time, which is the formula sa kuan power. And this formula is nag-show that power associated basic circuit element is simply the product of the current in the element and the voltage across the element. And this nag-shows that ma-relate nato ang power and energy to voltage and current. That's it. As you can see, this figure is the polarity reference and the expression for power. And if you use the passive sign convention of the interpretation of each letter, we can now conclude makakanta nga as positive as negative. And sa A is voltage drop from terminal 1 to terminal 2. Moto positive iyahang value sa iyahang watts. And sa B is voltage rise from terminal 1 to terminal 2, or voltage drop from terminal 2 to terminal 1. Mo na yang power is negative. And sa C kwan siya ni voltage rise from terminal 1 to terminal 2 to negative. And then sa D is negative charge flowing from terminal 2 to terminal 1. No to positive yung value. And then if the power is positive kani, power is being delivered to the circuit inside the box. And if moto positive, pasud mo na siya. And if the power is negative, power is being extracted from the circuit inside the box. Masunod ang example. Here is the example. Assume that the voltage at the terminal of the element in this figure, whose current and voltage was defined below. And ang gipangita is calculate the power supply to the element at 1 ms. So since the current is entering the positive terminal of the voltage drop, so magamit ta ani og positive sign atong power equation. So ang formula ani is P is equal to VI. Patako na nato siya. Wala siya ang equation. So, naman tay I ag V ani. So, muna naman tay V ug I. Ato na lang yung pang-substitute ng ilang mga kuan. We need substitute lang tayo eh. So 10,000. I joke. 10,000. Kay K man. Delete na to. Sobra. Nasakto. 10,000, then 20E and 5,000T. So, ang resulta ni is ang resulta is 200,000 E to the power of ano siya na human mag-substitute pa ta sa lain like P naman tay 1 ms man na so ato na siyang i 0.001 ang P ani and equals to boto na tay kaning 200,000 T copy and paste. After that, ang T atong spuning T mahimo ni siyang 0.001 and next ana na siya ang mugawa sana is magkalkyuhan siya scientific muna ang resulta 200,000 E to the power of negative 10 na siya. Muna 200,000 ato ning kwaon ning equivalent sa E to the power of negative 10 and equivalent ana is 45.5 times 10 to the power of negative 6 ay ang resulta niya is 0.9908 watts ang resulta niya. So muna na answer nito sa A. Then sa B na punta ang question sa B is calculate the total energy in joules delivered to the circuit element. So, magamit ta o pareha sa itong gibuhat sa voltage o current. So, kaning answer is ang formula ani is ato rang derive ang formula sa power nga which is power is equal to energy differential of energy over time. So ato siyang gi-derive nga ni result sa iyang derivation kay energy magipangita. So nga ni iyang resulta. Nga iyang resulta sa nag-derive. Up next, to find the total energy delivered, integrate the expression for power from 0 to infinity. Integrate the expression for power from 0 to infinity. After aning equation, may ani siya resulta. Da atong giusap pang i-calculate ni siya. So, to the power of infinity and to the power of 0. Ang nabilin na is ma-0, ma-1 naman siya. Ma-0 na siya. Then moto, nabilin is 20 joules. The result is the total energy supplied to the circuit element is 20 joules.